Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Today, yes, almost weekend. It's Friday. Let me see. Friday, October the 22nd, 2021. And in this newspaper, on Friday, we have only two regular Sudokus. Yes, it's a Sudoku Light. Well, let me zoom this out. Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. Only two. Yes, only two. Because today I've noticed again we have no extra puzzles. No additional. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. So what I will do is just like yesterday. Yesterday we have also no additional, and the solution was to solve the previous day. So Wednesday I have solved all the puzzles, and what I will do is the Tuesday edition. Last Tuesday there were 4 puzzles left. What I will do is I will solve those puzzles. Yes, so after these 2 puzzles, Sudoku Light and Sudoku Heavy, we have here, let me show you, extra puzzles of a Tuesday, October the 19th. Yeah, 4 puzzles, 1 star. The 2 stars, then we have a tectonic and a binary. Yes, total of 6 puzzles I will do. But first we will solve these 2 regular puzzles. Sudoku Light, this will be number 3572, I believe. No, 71. 3572. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square has 4 printed digits. We have 9 big squares, so 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? The number... yeah. How about an 8? We see here an 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 8 now. I need to wait for more information. I'm missing 2 8s. Okay, then how about the number 4 in the third row? The 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle a row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Then How about the number? Yeah. The number. Yeah. The 9. How about the 9? We have, yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. So 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the third column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 9 should be here. Now I have a 9 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Alright, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Then. How about the number 3. Well, we see here 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 5. We're missing 3 and a 5 in this big square. We see here 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Alright, so we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 3 in this big square should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 5 in this column? 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Okay. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. Yeah. It's a 5. Well, this box can be a 5. We have a 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there in the first column. We see there 5, no 5 here. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Then. How about the 3? Can I continue with the 3? Let me see. Yeah, we can continue with the 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, no need to place for the 3. Should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are, wait. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. All right. Okay. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And then 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then let me think. I cannot continue with the 6. How about 1 box left in this column? 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 6, number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square, also for the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Yes, finish in 40 minutes. Wow, could be faster, but I've managed to solve this. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. And don't forget, today, I've told you earlier in the past days, 6 easy tips to avoid failure. Today, tip 4, recognize the mistakes. recognize the mistakes. Alright, see you later. Bye bye for now.